I'm gonna just wait a few seconds to sort of let the stream settle, because sometimes YouTube cuts out the start of it. And I'm also gonna go ahead really quickly and, oh, it didn't start. Slight technical glitch with the stream. Cool. Oh, looks like it is running. Okay, so just a little delay. So, okay. It looks like, though, that the chat box isn't working. Damn it. It's not overly surprising. Chat box has been inconsistent. Okay, but that's okay. We can just go ahead and work with that. So, oh yay! Okay, so the chat box just has a delay. Cool. So we'll just live with that. So we're gonna go ahead and go bring up the PR so we can see where we left off. Because my memory is, since we worked on this a week ago, I don't remember where I left off. I know we got a lot closer. I know we were running the integration tests locally because Jenkins was being kind of annoying. We found a related issue which we made a PR for, I think. Did we make a PR for it, or did I just want to? Oh, maybe I didn't make a PR for it. Ooh. Looks like I did not make a PR for the other thing that I was going to make a PR for, so that's confusing. Unless, yeah, okay. So there's probably a PR that we're going to want to make really quickly today. I think it was around local testing, unless maybe we were just pushing things to this PR, try and speed up local K8s. Yeah, small suggestion, but otherwise looks okay. Yeah. So, yeah, I'd like folks to be able to run our tests locally easily, though. Oh, actually, yeah. Okay, well, so that's actually pretty cool. So we got a suggestion on sort of our helper PR from last time, from Marcelo. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go check out that branch. Repos Spark. Okay. Lovely, lovely. So Marcelo suggested if I want set-e, I can just go ahead and disable building the SparkR image because the SparkR image is not enabled right now. Anyways, yeah, I'm working on a book about Kubeflow over there. Okay, so set up integration test environment. So I do want set-e because I enjoy knowing when my scripts have failed. Right, okay, so line 89. Build SparkR image. Disabled since this fails. Ooh. Be right back. One second. Do. sorry about that. I got a message reminding me to take the frozen chicken out of the chicken place, the freezer. And I twisted my ankle, and so I got, I mean, not right now, but like in the past, earlier this week. So I got my thing to wrap around it. But, sorry about that. Or thanks for waiting, eh? So we're going to go ahead. We'll fix this really quickly. This is commented out, language binding, build, disabled, and we put in our set-ex. Okay, so let's go ahead and get diff. We're going to check this Jira. No, I don't think that's, well, 25125. Okay, cool. Since January. Yeah, that's from a long time ago. Disable since this fails. Re-enable once. Re-enable as part of. So let's just sorry, get diff get command turn -e mode on, and also disable trying to build our image since it fails. Make a note that it will be fixed in Cool. Git push. Lovely. So this will take a while to run through CI. Hopefully it works. We're not going to spend our time sitting and waiting for this PR though, because I don't care about it all that much. This is just some things to fix some things that we found while trying to get our main thing to work. So we're going to go over here. Yep. Keep track of node spot instances which are going to be shut down. I really need to rename this PR. This is no longer an accurate description of what it's doing. It's pretty close, but it's not quite right. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead. So one thing I like to do: git checkout master. Merge master. Okay. So then while we're doing this, we'll do build SB. Oh, right, no, because we're building with that, the Maven script. Or we want to, because we want to also build for Scala 212, because it's where the integration tests are running. Okay. Well, we'll go ahead, we'll push that. That should kick off CI. And while we're waiting for CI to kick off, let's go and find the integration tests again. So it's resource managers, Kubernetes, integration tests. Great. So I think, okay, RM logs. Well, let's go fast. RM star and dev run integration test. T run logs 0. Okay, so this will kick off the integration tests locally. I think, hopefully it'll work. Let's see. There was an error message in there, but it's one we can ignore. It's about the Xterm stuff, and we know that pretty well. That's cool. That's cool. So this will take a minute. So if anyone has questions, if there's anyone hanging out with us. Oh, this is no longer. I forgot to update the title. No. Oops. Echo. Working on graceful decom with Apache Spark on K8s. Or else Kubernetes. Okay. Cool. There we go. Anyways, okay, so the title's up now. That's good. Oh, I didn't have a chance to check that Twitch was actually working. Let's go ahead and check Twitch. It's probably fine. Yeah, cool. Yeah. Okay. Cool. I guess that works. Super happy fun times. Super happy fun times. Oh, and I can go to Twitter. Oh, cool. And it, failed to execute Minikube status. Oh, I guess maybe I rebooted this machine. Minikube. Well, Minikube status. Oh, Minikube. Stop. Oh, I did want to start it with more than the normal resources, though, I remember. Just because I have a bunch of other things in my Minikube. Git log-p, Minikube. Oh, God. Okay, this is fine. Minikube start. I think it might have been over here. Where is it? No, not here. This is my pull request. I want to go to Spark project Minikube integration tests. Maybe it's just in the readme.md and it's not actually on the website. Probably it's just here, yeah. Okay, right, there we go. We're gonna actually give this slightly more resources because I can. And CPU is 8, memory. Whatever. Cool. And that's because I think well, we were encountering some issues with it earlier, and so I'd just rather slightly over provision while it's getting started. I put on this super happy fun, super cool, like ankle doohickey thingamajigger, whatever it's called. Ice pack, yes, doohickey thingamajigger is the official technical title. Okay. Oh, I probably should have done that at a higher niceness level, based on the fact that I just got this warning about adding more audio buffering. Oops, well, what have I done? Starting VM, moving files into clusters. It's cool. It's cool. Starting cluster components. Okay. There we go. Got the nice wrap thingy on. Just take a minute or two, I guess. Or 3. Cool beans. Cool. Okay, got Minikube up and running. Now we can go ahead and on the integration. Oh, well, yeah, there we go. On the integration test again. Hopefully this works. Super happy. rocking and rolling, as it were. Building the Docker images now. Cool. That's pretty good. Okay. So it builds our image in this one because the other PR is not actually included in this. I just cherry picked the fix I needed in so that this could actually just run quickly and easily. So that's cool. Pretty close. Okay, cool. We're actually testing our job now, so let's see what's happening. So the driver hasn't come up yet. Let's take a little bit of time for the driver to come up. Okay. Take more minutes. Take a few more minutes. Yeah, that's kind of neat. How are we doing? Okay, yeah. Why is this so slow? Why is the driver not coming up? Maybe kubectl. Okay, dump. Yeah, I remember now. When we run the integration tests, we also had to specify some random stuff. I think it was the service account. Kubectl logs. So we're going to take a look at this. Namespace. So yeah, service account doesn't exist, right? So the thing which is supposed to automatically create the service account doesn't work. It's fine. Yeah. Okay. Okay, cool. So we'll do this again, and then hopefully this one will actually work. And we put it in a consistent namespace so that my life is a little easier. Okay, cool. I mean, it's another thing which, like, in a magical world where I have more time, like, I'd want to fix, but in this very concrete world which exists today, I don't have, like, a overabundance of time to fix all of the weird quirks of the integration tests. So I will not bother. Okay, cool. At least everything's cached. That's nice. Now we start our Spark job. Kdump. Cool. kubectl get pods namespace Spark integration test. Watch. Oh, cool. Let's get this one's logs. Kubectl logs namespace Spark integration test. Cool. So this finishes its task. Oh yeah, gotcha. And then it receives a sig term. Oh, right. I was gonna see if what the pod's configuration was, because I wasn't sure it was kubectl. Does the pod have to exist? Yeah, it does. Okay, fine. Run it again. And, well, we'll see. Let's just do this. Kick this job off again. Right. That's where we were. It was getting sig term rather than sig power, which means to me probably that, yeah. Actually, I'm not entirely 100% sure. What does it mean to me? So, yeah. So probably my config map is wrong for the pod, and we're not specifying it there. Would be my guess. But I could be wrong. Like we specify a script to call, and if the script wasn't called during shutdown, you know, it would, yeah, it wouldn't work. Okay. So yeah, this is more or less what we would expect. Completed, terminating. Because it looks like the parts of the integration test, like, kind of working. Or it is calling that script, and the script isn't doing the right thing. Also equally possible. Because I think the script is configured to send the signal to the worker right now. But let's take a look at this. Okay. This is the pod's configuration. This is my pod. This is my environment. That's my image. These are my ports and resources. Termination message path. Termination message policy. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, damn it. But yeah, I don't see... there should be a shell script in this configuration here, which I am not seeing, which I thought we fixed. Thought we fixed that. But maybe we didn't. Cool. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. I'm going to go get log HP. Holden. Oh, cool. Oh, yeah, wait, no, wrong repo. Holden. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Oh, yeah, okay. So we didn't... So this is what I wanted to look for. We want to see if it's registering a power handler or not inside of the worker. I think it is. And the basic executor feature step, that's, I think, where our problem is going to be. Basic executor feature step. Or not. Yeah, so if decommissioning, adding decommissioning script to lifecycle, otherwise decommissioning not enabled. Skipping shutdown script. So, opspark sbin decommission slave block until exit as Java. I'm actually gonna kind of cheat here, or more accurately, I'm going to, well, checks. Yeah, let's do that. So if Spark so that's not the jar that's getting deployed though, right? The thing which is run is a different one. Let's take a look at Spark-daemon. What does Spark-daemon do? Oh. I don't actually know if we're... Let's go back to our basic executor features tab. What's our... driver URL. Memory overhead. Driver URL. Executor container image. Log manager. Executor limits. Configure pod. Executor Java options. Executor container. Container builder. Executor else. Executor container. Add a life cycle. So that's, we go ahead, container with life cycle, owner reference, executor pod, yeah, I better entry point. Docker file in base. Yeah. No, not this one. Is this it or no? Oh no, this is Spark test. Docker file. Let's go R, because I think, yeah, opt entry point. Yeah, so something tells me, so if we are the executor on Kubernetes, we don't go through the Spark-daemon. We just call Java directly. Which, that's inconvenient. That's inconvenient. So, that being said, I'm not saying this is the wrong approach. Right, let's take a look at what Spark-daemon.sh does. Like, yeah. So, I think a totally valid alternative given what we're doing here, could just be to go to root for now. Oh, block until exit. Yeah, that was why. Yes. Okay. Here we go. So if Sparker, okay, we're gonna have to add some special case logic here. Because this will work fine in a non-Kubernetes deployment, but in the Kubernetes deployment, because we don't launch with Spark daemon. But why don't we launch with Spark daemon? It would make my life easier. What would Spark daemon get in the way of? So, gives a log and a PID. The PID is really the one that I want, right? That's my jam. Ooh. Okay, wait. This does some weird stuff. Okay. I guess. Fine. Guess it's standalone only. In that case, we want to. So decom.sh for now gx kill all dash s Spark daemon sig power Java. Okay, I guess. Dash get PID of process by name. Kinda. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna do some awkward awks. So worker PID is going to be equal to PSA grep, and then it's going to have Java in it, and it's going to have org.apache.spark, and that's probably enough for now. And then grep-v grep. Sure. And then magic awk, and then hopefully this does the trick. So kills-s, yeah. Worker PID, wait PID, worker PID. So that should do the trick, I guess. For now, probably, but we're going to want to go ahead and we're going to go into our basic executor feature step, and instead this is going to become /op/decom.sh, and we don't need this lock until exit thing. Cool. Let's go ahead and run this log sleep. Okay. Cool. I gotta rebuild a bunch of stuff. I changed all the Scala files, which is why my computer sounds like it's going to take off into space. Space. Cool beans, cool beans. Building now. Really kind of slow. It's okay. Okay, so oh yeah, we can see if it built the whatever. Okay, takes a while to rebuild all of this, which is fine. Ooh. Okay, cool. So now it's waiting. We're gonna go ahead, cube CTR logs, doot, namespace, Spark testing. Oh, here. Cool, finish that. Get pod. Yeah. Oh wait, no, that was. Damn it. Okay, well, I screwed that one up. But we got the logs, so we can look at the logs. And so actually, what we're gonna do equals doot. Pod. kubectl logs. Namespace doot. Logs. Okay. Let's take a look here. What did it succeed? No, it failed. That's not super unexpected. Let's just run that again. Didn't really change anything. I just changed myself to be a little less lazy. Yeah, interesting. So we can look at the basic feature step log. Oh, damn it, I shouldn't have deleted that. Oh well, that's fine. It'll run again pretty quickly. Although actually, while we're waiting, I can look at like logs2.sh. Okay, so we do have the decommissioning script for the lifecycle, or at least we intend to. Looks like it doesn't succeed. kubectl logs. It's weird. Okay, so we get a signal handler for term, hop and int. We register a signal handler for power. Oh, right. Okay, yeah, I was going to do dash. Okay, it's gone. Oh, and I overwrote it. Damn it. One more time. Good luck. Cool. So let's... Oh, hi Nova. How's it going? Sorry. I got distracted. But I have coffee. Hi. Running. Building the containers again. Okay, we're starting our Spark job. Oh, hearts. Okay. Driver is kicked off. It'll take a minute. Okay, executors are now pending. I can go over here. And hopefully this will give me something somewhat useful. Yeah, we finished the task. We sent the results to the driver. You can see we're registering the power signal handler like we intend to. And the job is completed and everything is gone. Wait, normally it gives me an error message somewhere around here. Huh, that's kind of weird. Oh, terminating. Okay, yeah, terminating. Still terminating. Oh, is it actually waiting? Oh my god, please. Ah, damn it, receive signal term. Okay, let's go and take a look at our logs. Where is this? Okay. Okay. Oh yeah. Who was this container that we just ran? 4A. Oh wait, what? There we go. Okay, bottom 2. Oh, I guess I could have just looked at the timestamps too. Okay. Yeah. That's what we expected, but the YAML one, decom. Ah! Fudge sickles. So it's not... Huh. So... yeah, it looks like our feature step, or whatever, basic executor feature step, this part, the life cycle isn't showing up here. I'm not sure if it should show up here, but I think it should, so let's go check. Get pod life cycle. Life cycle? Yes. Yeah. That's not... terminating grace period in seconds in pod spec. Okay, terminating. Cool. Let's go back. Oh, termination. Okay, cool. Optional duration in seconds. The pod needs to terminate gracefully. May be decreased in the delete request. Value must be non-negative integer. Value 0 indicates immediately if the value is nil. The default grace period will be used. Blah 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 blah. That's this. That seems like, yeah. Okay. If we made an executor with a new life cycle. Oh, cool. Oh, hey, Adam. Yay. Okay. Yes. Logs would be amazing. Nova. And also, hi, Adam. It's cool to see old Foursquare people around, too. But like, I don't know why this is not doing the thing that I asked it to do. Like, why is this? So, ooh, an easy button for logs would make Holdens very happy, because Holdens are very lazy. Okay, pre-stop, post-stop. Well, okay, so, I mean, how about maybe let's add another life cycle, which, yeah, does this. Let's try adding, essentially, this life cycle, because maybe I did something weird. So, with new post-start, with new exec, woof, with command, god fucking, list, and we'll just do this. And we can verify if it's at least maybe running. Did I did. Java. Okay, that's my and exec and pre and post start. Cool. With new pre-stop. Pre-stop is the phase of the phase of, yeah, this looks like what I want. Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes. Maybe. Well, maybe I fucked up in my decommissioning script, right? Adventures. Oh, termination message path. Can I give myself a message here? Kubernetes. Oh yeah. But my pod gets deleted, so that's not super useful. but whatever. Do. Cool. Whatever. Do. I'm trying to figure out what's going on. Okay. Yeah. Build failed. Not super surprising. Logs for cool beans. Cool beans. Oh yeah. Also, so what are you looking up? What's going on? Yeah. Cool. So the thing that I'm trying to figure out right now is basically, so more or less, like, the log says that we're adding this decommissioning script to the lifecycle, but when I do a kubectl get pod, I'm not seeing it show up. I don't, in fact, yeah, there's no lifecycle that shows up. So I don't know why that is. So I figured I'd try adding a post-start lifecycle hook as well, and seeing, seeing what I maybe did. Edit or new lifecycle and lifecycle. Yeah, that seems good. So I'm not. Yeah, that's where I'm at. And yeah, I figured maybe we can do some happy debugging adventures with this, and like maybe it'll be good and useful. Oh right. CTL exec namespace. Sounds like it's getting ready to take off. Cool. And that is the sound of our containers coming up. It's the sound of my CPU fan revving into high. Okay. Pod exec. Oh, bash. Wait, CTL exec. Bash. What our message was. User share message. User share message. Cool. Our pod went away. So that's the thing. Yeah. Let's go take a look at our logs again. Maybe the new one, 1641. Okay. Got logs. Yeah, okay, that's more or less what we've been seeing. Do we see anything about lifecycle? No. Is this just not working? I guess. Is there a known problem with Fabric 8? So Fabric 8, Kubernetes, client, Java, lifecycle. I don't see anyone complaining about it. Let's go take a look at the post, start, pre-stop. Yeah, I don't know why. problem last time was we weren't returning. So executor pod. So that's container lifecycle, right? Like Kubernetes container lifecycle. So why is my lifecycle less? Wait, is lifecycle on a that wouldn't make sense. Would it? Wait. Kubernetes lifecycle pod container. Okay. Attach handlers to containers. Yeah, so it's a container thing. It's not a pod thing. Can I? Okay. Huh. Maybe something weird with Minikube. Learn more about container lifecycle hooks. That's fine. I don't care. Debugging hook handlers. Okay. Okay. So really, okay, what I'm going to do, and we're going to, so, yeah. Basic executor feature step. We're going to go ahead and we're going to say exit 1. So this should fail, right? And that should mean that our pods aren't going to come up, right? And so if our pods don't come up, then we know the life cycle's working. It's just something weird going on. But if our pods do come up, then we know that the life cycle, it's not getting set properly. Let's go and see if I can find a fabricate life cycle example somewhere. Fabricate lifecycle Java. Container lifecycle. Okay. Fabricate container pre-stop. It's called pre-stop hook, right? Okay, pre-stop. Pre-stop. String. What? It's not. Oh wait, here's the thing. No. Specifically, like Fabric 8 does not appear to be making what I want to happen. Like, Fabric 8 container pre-stop Java API. Whatever. Software is terrible. Okay, so notably none of these failed the way they were supposed to. So what the fuck? Container builder edit or new lifecycle. Let's try container builder edit or new lifecycle. life cycle. Let's just do with new life cycle, because I don't. Container builder. Let's go. Looks like 0 people have used edit or new. What about with new life cycle? Ooh, okay. With new life cycle. Makes the handlers, and we go end life cycle. Okay. So that's what we do, more or less. With new post start. Yep. With exec, with command. Okay. Oh, yeah. Regression. Different log number. Logs 5. Okay. New stuff again. Okay, well, at least we know that our problem is that the life cycle isn't getting written out into the job. Something tells me that we also still don't have it over here. Based on the fact the pod says running. Let's take a look. Okay. Cool. Hasn't had a chance to exit yet. Okay. Life. God. Damn it. Okay. Okay, with new life cycle and life cycle. Okay, executor container builder, pod container dot build. So that's our executor container. Then we go ahead and we make a new container builder with the executor container, and we call edit resources. Then we go ahead and we say container with lifecycle, new container builder, executor container. Oh, we're throwing away. It says this is the wrong container. Oh, interesting, actually. Limit. Maybe my case match is doing something weird. I don't think it is. Whatever, but let's just do that. It's like that could be that. This should also have core limits inside of it. Right now we're just building directly on top of the executor container. So that was a mistake. Container with lifecycle. Yes. So spark pod. Configure pod. Okay. So it takes in the and I don't know. Is there like a, let's go take a look. Fabric 8 container builder. let's try sketchy println debugging. Let's do log info. Pod. Let's go built container with lifecycle. All right. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. Cool. Try and debug y container. Try and debug what's going on with our container lifecycle. Currently, it looks like it is not getting enough. Oh, no, okay. I wonder, what version of, okay, we're using, maybe yes, problem, but maybe not, I don't know. Pod. Yes. Life cycle. Okay, cool. So we have an exec pod once again. It's running, which means didn't use our lifecycle configuration, which means my life is frustrating. No lifecycle here. Okay. We'll go in here. We'll go way. Oh wait, no, it's gonna be like logs, whatever. Okay. Logs to accept. And so what we said inside of basic executor feature step, let's build container. Basic exec. Is this code not getting recompiled? Because I could see that. Login. Okay. Yeah. I thought we did have this. Weird. Wait. Logs 5 is the one we just ran, right? Oh, maybe it'll only get printed at the end? I don't know. Okay, here we go. There we go. Fine. Yes, did not contain decommission executor. That's great. Built. Okay. Adding decommission script. So that's the adding decommission script, but somehow built container built is not showing up. What's going on? Okay, I don't know. I really don't want to do a clean build because that'll take a long time, but I don't see another option. 'Cause maybe it's just not compiling the stuff that it's supposed to. Kubernetes -p Kubernetes integration tests clean. Okay, so that's all gone. So now, if we run this again. Well, like I thought this compiled it. Maybe I'm wrong. I was pretty sure that this did compile the inputs. Maybe it does not. Maybe it does not. So this is going pretty fast. But I don't remember having to build it. Well, actually, yeah, I mean, this is taking longer, and it also still sounds like it's going to take off. So, yeah, compiling 512 Scala sources and 77 Java classes, sources to Scala 212 sources. Okay, cool. So maybe this will give us a better answer as to what's going on. I'm really curious if maybe there was like a weird bug in Fabric 8, because like I don't know. Kubernetes client. Cool. I'm gonna search inside of here. Lifecycle in this repository. Issues. Unable to add commands to Kubernetes lifecycle hooks. Okay. Container set lifecycle. Okay. That's from last year. Indicates that it works. Huh. No commits. Oh, here we go. Let's go take a look at their test. With new lifecycle, with new post start, with new insight. Well, I guess we can try add to command. Maybe that will work. Huh. Oh my god. The tests are being fucking R Docker file. Do not care for in the slightest. It's hard coded to Scala 211. Setup. Up, integration test env. Okay. Hopefully that succeeds, or I mean fails more informatively this time. While that's happening, let's try add to command, because maybe it's just with new exec, and instead of with command, it's going to be add to command opt decom.sh. And exec. And then sh. To command -c. And to command exit 1. So this should fail, I think. Whatever. Cool. Assertion error, failed to execute. Okay, whatever. So there's a bunch of stuff which is just hard-coded to look for Scala 211. This build, you have to have run integration tests, is in Scala 212. So how the hell is this code supposed to work? I mean, I can totally build the root with Scala 211. That'll be fine. It's just that doesn't. No. D expression Scala binary value. Okay. Binary. Okay. Fuck it. And then if I, wait, what the? Okay. Be version is whatever. Okay, let's go ahead and we are going to switch our Scala version here. 2.12. No, I don't want to. This is going to be such a pain in the ass. How do these tests actually run? Whatever. Why is this? $2.11, fine. Kubernetes Kubernetes integration tests. Package. Oh. I really need to figure out how to configure my watch to be more useful. Build this with Scala 211. Then maybe that's what's going on. Maybe it's picked up an old version. That could make sense. Maybe I picked up an old version of the feature step code, and everything is actually fine. Oh, basic. Yeah. 29 of basic executive features. Okay. Fine. Move our logging up there. Maybe that was the issue. Everything's fine. It's just been some weird jar caching stuff because Scala 211, 212 profiles. Yeah. Oh. Oh, probably that import error. Can rerun it. Maybe that will do the trick. Yes. Do. Oh, cool. Spark Hadoop till course grain. I don't know why this is only showing up when I try and build it with the 211 profile. Oh, actually I do. There's different style plugins. One of them, okay. Do I actually need the Spark Hadoop util in here now? I do. Oh, this is not even my own code. Is it? Wait. I don't think this is me. Damn it. Fuck. Let's build this with integration tests. Well, I kind of want to just maybe fine. Let's do clean. Let's go find the Docker files that reference Scala 211 by hard-coded. Scala version is not. Okay. Let's look at dev run integration tests. Okay. Scala version. Export and then okay, so here we go. We set Scala version 2 to 12. I'll be right back. Just gotta go let someone in the drop off a package. Okay. So that was magical grocery. Yes, prizes. Happy prizes. Fucking hell. What the fudge? Scala version. Okay. So we go ahead, we go in here. Deploy mode is Minikube. Spark test, set up integration custom. Spark inputter, yeah. This is my image tag. This is my language building arguments, sure. We go ahead, we try and build CubeSpark. And then it says cannot find Scala 211. Oh, this is just hard coded. God damn it. Why? Wait, is this hard coded? Docker file and default environment. Docker file env versus arg. Okay. You can override env variables which are set in the Docker file by providing environment variables in the command line or with your Docker compose file. Default values which were overridden this way will not be available inside of a container. You can also use arg values to set default values of env variables. You can read more about it here. Okay. So that's the thing though, right? Like Spark. So wait, let me check. Scala underscore version, and like up here before all this shit, we did an export of setting Scala underscore version, right? Yeah, we did here. We said Scala underscore version. Okay. So set up integration test env. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Bash env default value. So we'll call this whatever. Even Scala version. And then export Scala version equals $sign Scala version. Maven Scala version. Okay. Cool. Run that again. Hopefully this time it takes. And my prizes were actually groceries. So while this test runs, which takes about 10 minutes, actually really 5, I'm gonna go put some of the groceries in the fridge. Oof. Yay! Let's watch our test fail! Oh, it already failed. Okay. Piece of shit. So we exported the Scala version, we set it to 212. Oh, and one of my prizes in the grocery bin was keys for my ankle. Yay! But yeah, it's not... Wait, what? Maven Scala version equals... Wait, what? So confused. Oh, right, $sign Maven not necessarily defined, right here? Yes. I would explain it, but nonetheless, I would expect this to like work, kinda. Right? Wait. Docker build. How do I specify? Let's go back here. Build argument. This envar. Whatever. Snooze. That's convenient. Okay, so what I'll do is Scala version build time, which is 2.11.8, and then Scala version build time. And we'll go back here, set up integration test. Docker image tool.sh Scala Spark Scala version Spark Scala version okay yes. Spark Scala version. Spark Scala version or Scala. I don't know. Okay. Sure. Spark, okay. Wait, what the? My brain is made of cheese and coffee. Okay, it fails inside of the Docker image tool. Okay, so this isn't. Damn it. This was not the problem that I thought it was. Excitingly, I think. Pretty sure. We're gonna do a git diff on that though. Okay. Git add. Just because we've gotten a ways away. Fine. Spark git diff. Git add. Try and check that lifecycle is being added with more logging and a lifecycle which should cause failure. Okay, git diff, git add, print out our Scala version and set it downstream. Stream. Oh, hi Callie. How's Callie's ankle doing? I feel like somewhat meow because meow. Okay, cool. Git add meow. Git commit hey, meow. My ankle is not that bad. Cookies are not on my face, they're on my ankle. Thank you very much. But yeah, point well taken. Okay, git commit dash m, do hickey thingamabob, do thing. What do I want to say here? Disable our build because it's not working. And Also, set Spark Scala version for downstream building with Docker image and Scala 212. Okay, cool. Git diff, git add, yeah, okay, git commit -m, add Scala version as a param, but I don't need this. Okay, cool, and then I'll revert the commit, which I don't think we need, but then it's in my history in case it turns out that I was wrong. Cool beans, cool beans, literally cool beans. Sorry. If I don't laugh at my own jokes, who will? Okay, log 7. There we go. Because like things that are hard-coded to assume Scala 212, not super happy. Or sorry, Scala 211, not super happy for Holden's life. Because god damn it. Okay. Well now, that's progress. Because then at least I can build this. Yeah. Package. And this will be a party. I think this will be a party. Whatever. It should probably be. Ooh, nope. -d, skip tests. We do not want to run any of the tests. It's just going to take forever. Okay. Yeah. I said this one was going to be fast. And in theory, I was going to do this really quickly, and then I was going to go do some other things that I promised folks I'd get done today. So, if we don't get it working soon, we'll find a good stopping point and move on. But I think we're really close. I feel like if it's been a cached class issue and not bringing the lifecycle information over, then this should fix it. We can run it, and everything should work. And that would be a party. I hope. It's off to work. Okay, sorry. Okay. Everything is awesome. It's cool. Ooh. Ooh, yay! Micro K8s. Awesome. Anybody's got upcoming TGIK that looks really good and relevant. I like micro K8s. Use it in the book for the examples. Key beans. Okay, well, compiling Spark takes a while, and that's, yeah, Oh, okay, and it failed building Kubernetes. Value not found. Ooh. Okay. That's good. At least it's compiling our basic executor feature step. Basic executor feature step, line 237. Okay. Build container with lifecycle. Container with lifecycle. Yeah. So yeah, this just clearly was not running because this code doesn't compile. So I don't know. Maybe that was the problem. Maybe it was just a build issue. That'd be really exciting because yeah, I really want to get this thing fixed. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Cool. We'll run this. Oh, I probably should have done RF, but hopefully Zinc will just keep everything fine for us. That'll be exciting. Yes. Very exciting. Okay. Yes. Okay. Hopefully this build, you know, does well. Okay. Oh, that's cool. Okay, cool. It built. That's great. Now let's run our test, and hopefully we see the pods exiting the way we would expect it to. That would be exciting. Cool. Still going. Still going. Building our Docker images. Oh, hi. What is the spec of the micro K8s bean base? Okay, fine. Micro K8s Nova. What is the spec of the machine that I'm building this stuff on? That's great. I don't remember. CPU info. So it's a Core i7 8700. With hyper threading probably, and it's got like 48 gigs memory, more or less. And yeah, so right now most of the stuff's in Kubernetes. Cool. So I'm excited because it looks like this pod isn't kubectl. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, okay, so it looks like our life cycle did get added this time because it's going into an error state immediately. So that's really exciting. Yeah, I'm actually really excited. Cool. So that's progress. That's great. We're going to go ahead and get rid of this post-start life cycle. Okay. This isn't going anywhere. Okay. We're going to want to rerun the package. Get a new version of everything together. While it's running, I can write the git commit message, git diff, git commit -m, lifecycle fixed, lifecycle now running, okay, take out the bad lifecycle stage. Name. Decom script should be executable. Okay. Okay. Minikube delete all, I think. Cool. That did not work. Or K8s. Oh, minikube delete. Okay. Minikube. Ah. Mini. Cool. Vert. Okay. CPUs. It's going to be 8, and we'll give it more memory. Cool. That'll take a minute. We already built that. It's going to take a second to start up. Probably want to wait for the main key cluster to come up before I start running my integration tests. We could race them. Yeah. Let's wait for the VM to start, at the very least. Cold vegetables on my foot. Very lovely. Okay, cool. Moving files into cluster. That part won't take so long. So we'll kick off our integration tests. It'll take a minute or two to start. I don't actually know which version of Ubuntu I'm running. It's like etc lsb something. I don't know. LSB release Ubuntu 18.04. Yeah. When I said this part might go fast, I may have underestimated the amount of time involved. Thankfully, building the Docker image will take a while because we're going to install a bunch of R packages because we changed everything. Great! Now I can do my kubectl launch thing. Get pods. Integration test. Watch. We'll hopefully see a pod. It'll come up. It'll be fancy. Everything will make me happy. Oh, except it failed. Oh. I need to make the namespace and service account. Okay. kubectl create namespace Spark integration test. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead Spark service account. Service account. Service account. Yes. kubectl. Create service account Spark. What service account am I using? Actually, that's a great question. Spark IT SVC ACC. Okay. Spark IT SVC ACC. And then we're going to create a cluster role binding. Actually, I'm going to just cheat. I'm just going to make this a, well, no, whatever. Spark. IT SVC role, cluster role, added, default Spark. Namespace. Alright. Oh shit. That's, no, damn it. Boop. Spark IT SVC. Spark integration. All right. Make our service account. Cluster role binding. Oh, I wonder if I need to enable DNS. Do I have DNS? We have kubedns. Okay. That's fine. What is the best way to learn Spark? So I'm biased about that. I think the best way to learn Spark is probably through a combination of my book, or one of my books, Learning Spark. But there are also other great Spark books, Spark the Definitive Guide, Learning PySpark, and some others. I think books are really good. I think MOOCs are also pretty good too. Yeah, that's yeah. Cool. I really hope this thing works. I'm really optimistic. Another 2 executors. There's a life cycle. Okay, we deleted it. What happened? No, sig term. I don't want sig term. I want sig power. Sig. Damn it. Okay, Let's go try and find this log. Okay, well, let's go take a look here. So life cycle. Okay, pre-stop exec command opt decom.sh is our shutdown script. So that's the start, I guess. Cool. So that's that. I want to know course grain executor backend error receive sig term. Why is this? Yeah. So opt decom.sh. Well, maybe this. Oh wait, we can see up here. Org Apache Spark executor. Right, let's double check. PS. Yeah. So that should have. Like this should have worked. Kill all s sig power java sleep 30. What about if we look at the okay? Well, at least it's running. Do I need to rebuild? Maybe. Whatever, let's rebuild anyways. What time was it? 5:53. Okay, I'm gonna stop in 7 minutes at 6 o'clock. Because at least we. Oh, which MOOC do I suggest? Yeah, so Spark MOOC. I think there's the Coursera one and the edX ones. This doesn't look very prominent. Oh, okay, yeah. The EPFL is probably, I think, good. Wait, is this vehicle? Yeah, EPFL is probably good. So this, though, is very Scala focused. It assumes that you know Scala. The edX one, I think, does not make that same assumption, although it's not currently available. Maybe the introduction one is available? I don't know. No, that's not available either. So I guess the question is, do you want to learn it with Scala or with Python? Oh, maybe this. Who's this from? X series. I don't. This is Berkeley. But none of their courses are currently available. Yeah. I don't know when they'll do this again. Paco has some pretty good videos on YouTube too. Apache Spark tutorial part 1. That's another option. He also has some really good things on Safari. There's some good content there if you have a Safari subscription. But Safari, actually I guess there's a free trial. Paco Safari, Apache Spark. So yeah, there's the introduction to Apache Spark video series. I think it's by Paco there. There is a variety of books there as well. Yeah. But that's definitely a sort of cost money kind of situation. Okay, cool. What's the state of the world? Okay, here's our executor. Cool. So then it switches to terminating. Was it sig term? Oh wait, I don't see sig term here. Weird. Why am I say sig term? Ooh, what showed up over here? So terminating. I'm confused. So power in finished executor bytes into driver. Oh, okay. Hopefully that's more prizes. I'm gonna go press the button and we'll see. Ooh. It was prizes! More prizes. More prizes. In this case, it's things from my angle, so they don't hurt as much. Okay. So, didn't get the decommissioning thing. But... I don't know. Feels like it's running the decommissioning script on the basis how long it's taken, and that it's just maybe not getting. So. Oh, cool. I'm glad those suggestions are useful. So kill all -s sig power Java. I don't know what's going on here. Like, this should definitely be getting a sig power, and we have a power handler, right? Coarse grained executor backend. No, I don't. I gotta watch it. Power. Registering power handler. Decommission self. Log debug. We're gonna switch this to log info. True. So let me double check how sig power works. Sig power. Sig power, power failure. That's close enough. So that's the one we want. Yeah. So sig power. Sig power Java. Power. Oh, it's deprecated. Well, screw that shit. So Java catch Java catch signal. How to gracefully handle sig kill. Yeah. Okay. So no, it's not. I don't want to add shutdown hook. I want to handle sig power. Handle signals and exceptions. Okay. I don't. It doesn't. So, not quite what I want. Catching a specific signal / interrupt in Java. So yes. I would like to catch my signal, but signal handle. I don't want to exit when I get my signal. Signal utils. So these return false. Okay, adds an action to be run when a given signal is received by this process. Signals are, yeah. All actions. Okay. 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 Run all actions and escalate to parent handler if no action catches the signal, i.e. all actions return false, which is why I return true. So why is my signal handler apparently not being called? Even if we should be receiving sig power. JVM signals are hard. Oh, I thought I was going to stop 5 minutes ago. Okay, once more. With this signal utils, yeah. So we're going to switch this to registering and then registered if we don't fall through to the EX case. Oh. Log signals. Register log. Let's go log error and then decommission. Okay. Error. Decommission executor. Decommission self. Okay. Okay. Try this once more. Maybe it'll work. Maybe it won't. But anyways, it'll be a good enough stopping point. I'm pretty sure our signal handler... Well, so at the very least... okay. So, where we are... decom script should be executable. Okay. Yeah. Decom script is in the pod YAML. Not seeing sig term anymore in the log of executor. Attempts to use kill all in case the grep approach wasn't working. Oh, actually, yeah. So the other thing that we're going to do over here in this decom script is we're just going to do set-x and add even more logging. So, because I don't know why this isn't working. Okay. Run that once more. Go up. This will be the last time we kick off these test cases, and hopefully we'll just have a party for values of party, which are mostly me trying to get the house ready for friends to come over. Really close. So close. Buttons. Ooh. Maybe I don't know. Okay. Wait, what's the thing on the bottom for? That's just volume. Okay. Get in there. Okay. Run integration tests one last time. Watch mode for the existing pods. Spark dash test that. Yeah. Okay, building the containers. That's good. going. Keeps going. Okay. Just waiting for the pod to become ready. We wait for the pod for a little while before we kill it. Pod is finished. Okay, it still says terminating. I'm really confused about that one, so... The pod is gone, but it still shows terminating. What's going on? Ready check resulted in true, became ready, then we're terminating it. K-dump, does the pod show up? No, it's gone. So can I get a previous, can I do a, I wonder if I can do a dash watch on a pod. Sure. Cube, system, W. Do that, maybe. Okay, cool. Let's try this once more for good luck. So what we're going to do over here in our happy script of sketchiness is we're going to switch this from an end to an end, and we're going to do both in watch mode. We're going to go over here. And hopefully, because we are, if we look here, writing this out into the termination log, then hopefully we'll see this in the termination log, and this will give me something. You know, maybe, not a guarantee. All right, we've got a driver pod up. All right, and we've got an executor pod up. Do this again. Run this. All right, we do see, yeah, we see ops decom.sh in here as a command. Oh, cool. And in between, so it actually did log some changes to the pod. And that is awesome, I think. Or something, whatever. So, event executor terminated. Exception in connection. This is weird. This isn't what I was expecting. Okay. Shutdown hook called. Sorry, shutdown. Block completed. Status false. Okay. So, okay. It is running Decom Adventures. And it completed. So it slept 30 seconds after doing a kill all to okay, yeah. So echo using worker pid dev. Remember I said it was gonna... Yeah, but we're so close now. Okay. 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 T-help. Is there a T append mode? T-A. Lovely. So then we're gonna go to pipe to T-A. 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 Okay. Here and we'll say date starting Decom Adventures. Okay, so this worked, kind of. Yeah. We don't have to rebuild because we didn't change any Scala code. But we got the logs, and that's exciting. And at the very least, we can see that the script is being called. It should be sending sig power. Something weird is happening in that sig power is not being handled in the way that I thought it would be, but at the very least, it's working. So that's okay, cool. This will take a minute or two, as it were. Lovely. Okay. Okay, yeah, it'll take a second. If exit process. Okay. Cool. Still building. Okay, this is the real last one for real this time. For real. I say that many times, but for real. I'm gonna stop after this one. It's pretty close. Cool. Test app. It's the driver program. Here's our executor. So at least it's running the decommission script. So it's out of being like a problem with Fabricate and all of that other stuff, back into being a problem inside of my Spark code. That's cool. Okay. So what did we get in our decommission log? Okay. Okay, status conditions, container. That's weird. Wait, what happened? I'm confused. The life cycle seems to have worked out differently this time. Okay, so we've got our decom.sh. That was definitely a thing. Okay, let's go. take a look at it. Okay. Cool. Okay. Maybe that didn't work. Oh, yeah, that didn't work. I would have had to do an export. Maybe? I don't. Okay. Keep saying it's the last time, but you know, I want to end on a high note. Be nice if we ended on a high note. 4 times I remember. Okay, well, yes, it's counting the number of times that I've said it's going to be my last run is yes. But for real this time. If it's still in a bad state, whatever, we'll just move on. Because we know the shell script's getting called now. I just don't know why it's not working. But pretty close. It's really, really exciting. Okay. Here's our pod. Everything looks fine and normal. We're waiting for the pod to become. Oh, the pod is running now. Oh, there we go. So it did that whole executor finish thing, and it got updated. Oh, file. Okay. Yep. Last probe time. Pod is scheduled. Container status ready as true. Still running. Okay, here we go. Starting decom adventures using wait, kill-9 1. Okay, so that's clearly yep, not what we wanted. Oh wait, damn it, that's nah, not 0% chance of what I wanted. Damn it, no. Okay. Okay, let's check this. We figured out the bug. Okay, no coarse grain backends should be running here yet. I probably do have an instance of Java though, right? So if we do this, oh, okay, let's replace Java with Bash. Okay, so that works just fine. Okay, so now we know what happened. Git diff, git commit -am. Had a fix printing the worker PID. Right. Worker PIDs is equal to let's check this with is the awk statement really necessary? I don't think so. If I get rid of this awk statement, what do I get? Yeah, that awk statement is not doing anything for me. It's just printing out. So there we go. Okay, cool. We are at a pretty good stopping point. I am going to kick off these tests one last time, but in this case I'm actually going to end it. Let's go over to this talking screen. So thank you for joining me. It's been a longer adventure than I originally planned, but we're at a pretty good point. I have a message that says I paid my T-Mobile bill. That's exciting. Yay, hearts. Bless Nova. So yeah, I think we're in a good state to sort of put this back on the shelf for another day. We've got our decommissioning script being called successfully. We have a good idea of where to pick up from here, right? Like making sure that it's extracting the right PID and making sure that the SIG power message is being received. Yeah, so I mean there is a lot of debugging cruft that we've put in, or at least sorry, I've put in trying to solve this problem with y'all. So we'll definitely have to come back and take a look at that. So even if this did start working, there's still a lot more work to do, and I would like to get some other things started tonight that are not Spark related. I'm gonna try and do some Kubeflow work tonight. So with that, thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you all around. Bye.